More annoying sanding sounds. By the way, the jungle sounds you hear are compliments of our neighbor who has a couple cockatoos and a macaw. A lot of people have made the analogy that the cabin on a Tiki 21 looks like a coffin. I don't see it. There isn't any silk or padding anywhere on the interior. We had a discussion about where to place the finger hole for the bunk boards here and decided it's just a lot easier just go out and look at what we did in the previous haul and try to match that.
Make sure you put a block on the bottom of it so it doesn't blow out any more of the plywood. What really needs to be blown out.
And
Which is supposed to go on, huh?
Well, as I recall, we put it in the middle. You don't think so? Oh no. I'm gonna have to check the boat again? Oh no. This is compartment 3.
Yeah. I mean, you're going to
3, that's the one. Say what?
You're going to access it this way. This is your in.
That's compartment 3 right there.
Okay.
So I'm going to be accessing that from.
Anywhere.
Maybe I'll go look. Let's turn the camera off and see what we put in the other hole.
It doesn't really matter.
It's only got to sort of look like the other hole. Alright, which way are you giving it to me?
I'm not. You figured it.
Lifting. Center. Compare 4. For 4 inches and a half.
It's still.
more annoying drilling sounds.
That didn't make it all the way through. It lied to me. That made it all the way through. I got one more?
Nope,
or have I lost count? I can't
4.
get to 4 without losing count. Okay.
This is our shop, a knoll, a little lizard. He's lived in the shop for a couple months now. We put water out for him. I'm not sure exactly what he's eating. We've tried to catch him a few times and put him back outside, but he seems to like it in here. Anyhow, he entertains us by just wandering around wherever he wants.
Okay, this is the next step where we're coating all of the bunk boards with epoxy. This is the first coat of 3. We're also going to add some stiffeners to the lift out sections and the pieces that are supporting the lift out sections that are fixed.
Here we've attached the plywood backer board for the lifting sections and the support boards that go on the fixed sections to support the lifting sections.